Nilesh Shah, who is now joining in on the show, MD at Kotak AMC. Nilesh, hi there. Good to have you on board. Let's talk about the elections and the market, given the kind of correlation that we have seen for the last 5 consecutive Lok Sabha elections. Just a month before, we've seen the Nifty rally between 3 to 21%. Now that there's more clarity in terms of the dates, what's your assessment?
So this time, I think market is already discounted continuity of government. Market is also discounting more big bang reforms rather than incrementalism, and which is why our markets are today trading at probably one of the highest valuation over the peer group. We today trade at much higher valuation than what we enjoyed over our peer group. Partly it is function of our doing well, and partly it is also function of expectations that will continue to do better.
Nilesh, hi, morning. In the backdrop of it all, in terms of what lies ahead, we've also had a big shake-off all through last week, right? I mean, of course, the regulators' steps to bring in more transparency into the system has had its repercussions on, overall market and especially on the small and mid caps. Do you sense there could be some more pain in the system before we have a shake-off of the weaker hands, if you will?
So, Ayesha, there are two parts of the market. One which is fundamentally driven, albeit optimistically priced. These are large caps, larger mid caps, some of the small caps. Essentially stock where there is enough floating stock for market to determine fair value. As I mentioned, this part of the market is expecting India to do well, and hence it is optimistically priced. There is a segment of market where prices are way ahead of fundamentals, not because those companies are expected to do well, but because there is very, very limited floating stock. This floating stock is concentrated in the hands of few people, and which is why limited buying is resulting into prices going higher. This builds momentum. There are crores of retail investors who believe what has gone up yesterday will also go up today. They jump into the bandwagon only to get the experience that making money is not easy. In that part of the market, I think in absence of fresh, gullible investors, we might see correction going ahead. Eventually, there will be definitely a correction. But on the part of the market where prices are discovered through market functioning, through market mechanism, I see limited downside, and eventually there will be upside.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.